Hello everyone, I hope you are great. My name is Arian, and today we are going to talking about mathematics on grade 11. And here have a mathematics unit chart trigonometry, and it's so good unit and understand everything. It's for you. It's have some video, have an introduction about that. This lesson have a 4.2 talking about using formula in the real world problems. And here have an introduction, vocabulary, have a new vocabulary, have a topic, fundamental trigonometric formula, have a topic, two words problem in the trigonometry, and activity, have a homework, and test yourself. And here in this lesson we will learn looking the some example how we can use different formula relations in the order, tackle trigonometric problems, some real world problems, and explains will review and cover. And here say at the end of the lesson have a one test about trigonometric formula and help you understand better. I will be using the foundation of the trigonometric and formula to any yes and is. Here have a one word. This, for example, is little bit difficult. For example, what's writing on a sound. I don't know. It's not exactly. I don't know. We can use dictionary. Dictionary is listen, just for listen, because help you understand the better the word. For example, listen this one. Analysis. You can listen. It's difficult a little bit. And solve. Let's listen this one. All of them. Solve.
Analysis and solve.
Analysis and solve real world problems. And the next is topic fundamental trigonometry formulas. Have here the formulas. Have a one video. I want to go to the YouTube and watch this video because so helpfully understand better the unit lesson. Go next. And here have all of them formula, half of them formula, tan, cosine, sine, sinus, cosinus, tangent, and sine 2, cosine 2, and have all of them formula here. And here say cosine 2 cotangent 2x plus 1, and you can see cosine 2 cotangent 2x plus 1 is solution. Writing the solution, everything here, how you can find it, cosine and cosangent, cotangent, and you can see the solution and have an example. And here have a one video. I want to watch it and so helpful for you. Two, and here again have a one example, 1 cosine 2 sine x cosine x and tangent x. Have a solution how you can find it, and have a note, keep your mind, and x and sine cosine cotangent and cosine sine x, and everything is writing in the note and you can find it. And here proving trigonometric identities could become challenging. tell us. Look, something more example. We can see the more example here, and here one video. It's so helpful for you understand everything. Here and two words problems in the trigonometry. In this topic, I lost such as sine law and cosine law will be introduced and used in the word problems. Besides, other trigonometric ratio formula will be used in the more complex words problems. The words problem will be using the 2 and 3 dimensional settings. To clarify this subject, example will be given. Here have one word, it's a little bit difficult. We can listen. And wait a minute. Listen.
Three-dimensional.
Three-dimensional. Go next. Here example. Here angle, and here angle is C cos 3 degree, and hypotenuse. And here is hypotenuse. Angle is 19 degrees, 5 centimeters, 8 centimeters. How you can find this? Here is have solution, action is problem, and we can read this one and read it please yourself. And here have you can go to the Google and search Google calculator, and you can add this one the number if you want, and you should using a calculator. And here also writing the angle triangle HB cosine B, HB5 cosine 53 degrees, HB is HB5 cosine 53 degrees. Note, have a note, you can writing that on the R sine and the R cosines are the inverse function of the sine x and cosine x respectively. To determine them, go to the repeatbless.com. Here is one website help you. And here one word again is a little bit difficult. This word. Wait a minute.
3-dimension.
Sorry. This word. This one. Listen please.
Respectively.
Listen again.
Respectively.
And the next one have an example. One example how you can find it. Should read it. And here is the solution. Example 2. North, south, west. How you can find it. 3 south, west. 20 minutes. Downside and 40 s, and how you can find it. And here again example solution about the diagram and problem statement and the diagram. We are looking for the laws of BED. Here example, you have one example here, you can see it. And here have a solution about this one. And here have a one video in the YouTube. You should search how to solve the triangle and trigonometry, and so hopefully this video and help you understand better the trigonometry. And here have one homework, and here you can check it. Let's have a homework, and here have one challenge. The first unique essay is have one challenge. It's so good and understand better. And here say 250 words you learn, and you can explain here. And here the end of the lesson. Thank you so much. If you have any question, you can send my Gmail. My Gmail is arianmoradiparto@gmail.com, and you can send my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.